Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to replace every character in a string with the next one in the English alphabet. This involves handling edge cases like wrapping Z back to A. Let's dive into the problem and explore the solution. This problem focuses on character manipulation using the alphabet. Each letter in the input string shifts to the next letter, and Z wraps around A. For example, the input ABCDXYZ becomes BCDEYZA. It is a simple but fun exercise in string and character processing. This is the JavaScript implementation of the solution. The string is first split into individual characters. For each character, we determine its position in the alphabet, shift it to the next position using modular arithmetic, and then convert it back to a character. Finally, the characters are rejoined to form the transformed string. The process involves splitting the string, calculating the positions, shifting them, and reassembling the characters. Each character is handled independently, and the modulo operation ensures proper wrapping from Z back to A. In this example, the input string ABCDXYZ is transformed character by character. Each letter is replaced by the next one, with Z wrapping around A. The output is BCDEYZA, showcasing how the program handles every character in the string. Here's another example with the string hello. Each character is shifted to the next one. H into I, E into F, L into M, O into P. The final output is IFMMP. This demonstrates how the function applies the transformation universally to all characters. The ES6 implementation uses arrow functions and const for a more concise and modern approach. The logic remains the same, but is written in a cleaner and more compact manner. To summarize, this program transforms a string by shifting each character to the next one in the alphabet. It uses modular arithmetic to handle wrapping from Z back to A and demonstrates creative string manipulation in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.